guys! Hello! So, ngayon maglalaro tayo ng Fortnite. Code M. Code M tayo. Tapos, ano natin? Crossfire. Yan. May ginawa lang ako. Pero may emotes. Look at my emotes. In the water pack. Wait lang. Ano ulit? Ayun! Joke lang. Yeah, buddy! Ano kaya yung gusto ni Jason? Uy! Inventory! Bruh. Tara. Laro na. Laro na. Open tayo ng camera. Nanonood yung mga kaibigan ko. Sinabi ko huwag maingay. Pero maingay pa rin. Nani daw what? Uy, si Dragon Team. El Dragon Time. El Dragon ne. Agay. Okay lang pag nagaganito ko. Hindi ko nakita.
Target in sight. Target down. Reloading. Tango down. Contact with enemy. Friendly Shock RC is ready.
Ayun ang kapatid ko. Yung isa kaibigan ko. Wait lang.
We've taken the lead. Friendly Shock RC is coming.
Teka lang.
Sentry gun ready.
Sentry gun tayo.
Sentry gun deployed. Enemy in sight. Enemy down. Access 1 Goliath is ready.
Access 1 Goliath. Sabog sa mga iba na.
Access 1 Goliath incoming.
Heck no.
Access 1 Goliath is landing. Hostile sentry gun in your AO.
In your rail.
Taking the lead.
Lalag. Paano sila makakalusot?
Tango down. Enemy contact. Frag out. Watch out, grenade!
Magaling nila.
Taking the lead.
tayo.
This one Goliath has been destroyed.
Been destroyed.
Friendly Shock RC is coming. Down.
Yon! Ayun, ako yan, boy! Ah! Ako yan! Boom! Nakita nyo yan. Ako yan, di ba? Nakita nyo, boy? Hotdog! Sige na, boys! Goodbye!